Hello students, welcome back to our second module, Reproduction in Animals. As promised, in this video we are going to learn about amoeba and hydra, that is the asexual method of reproduction.
Amoeba and hydra are the tiny animals which reproduce by the process of asexual reproduction. Do you know what is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is the production of a new organism from a single parent without the involvement of sex cells or gametes. The new organism produced by asexual reproduction is exactly identical to the parent. The two most common methods of asexual reproduction in animals are binary fission and budding. We will now describe these two methods of asexual reproduction in animals one by one. So, let's begin with binary fission. Binary fission is an asexual method of reproduction in organism. The word binary means two and the word fission means splitting. So, the term binary fission means splitting into two. In binary fission, the parent organism splits or divides to form two new organisms. When this happens, the parent organism ceases to exist and two new organisms come into existence. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission by dividing its body into two parts. Now let's understand how it happens. When the amoeba cell has reached its maximum size of growth, means when the amoeba gets fully matured, then first the nucleus of amoeba lengthens, means the nucleus increases in size and divides into two parts. After that, the cytoplasm of amoeba divides into two parts, one part around each nucleus. In this way, one parent amoeba divides to form two smaller amoebae called daughter amoebae. Hence, one amoeba produces two amoebae. Students, do you know amoeba takes about an hour to divide into two daughter amoebae. The two daughter amoebae produced here grow to their full size by eating food and then divide again to produce four amoebae and so on. The daughter amoebae produced by the process of binary fission are identical to the parent amoeba. Hope you understood that amoeba reproduces by dividing itself into two parts. This type of asexual reproduction is called binary fission. Another tiny unicellular animal called paramecium also reproduces by the asexual method of binary fission. Understood? Now let's know about budding. Budding is an asexual method of reproduction. In budding, a small part of the body of the parent organism grows out as a bud, which then detaches and becomes a new organism. Here bud means small outgrowth. Understood? The asexual reproduction by budding is observed in animals like hydra, sea anemones, sponges and corals. Students, we know that hydra is a simple multicellular animal. Now let's know how hydra reproduces by the method of budding. Students, you can see this hydra, which is a parent hydra, right? First, a small outgrowth called bud is formed on the side of its body by the repeated divisions of its cells. This bud then grows gradually to form a small hydra by developing a mouth and tentacles. And finally, the new tiny hydra detaches itself from the body of parent hydra and lives as a separate organism. In this way, the parent hydra has produced or created a new hydra. Thus, hydra reproduces asexually by growing buds from its body. This is called budding. Students, you should remember one thing, that the bud formed in a hydra is not a single cell. It is a group of cells. Understood? Students, apart from binary fission and budding, there are some other methods of asexual reproduction by which a single parent produces young ones. We will study these methods in higher classes.